Okay, so we want to create something that's going to calculate the start and end dates of a month. T-box set buffer, right? I might have show view nothing, show do nothing turned on. Okay, there we go, turned off. Buffer. And we're gonna put in something here. Date. Okay, so let's go back and fill it in. Why do I like Tosca? Alright, so that should give you the first of the month, right? Hang on, it didn't work. What the fuck is this? No suitable command found for... No suitable value found for command date. Oh, hang on. Sorry. D-A-T-E, like that? Huh. That's weird. Let me have a look at some of the other stuff I've done. Oh, I need to use dots. Okay. So if I use dots, let's see what happens. No, I didn't like that either. Oh, maybe I need to do that. Another one. Oh, okay, like that. Let's see what we get. So today's date is the 25th of October. And it's after giving me back the 1st of the 10th. Why? What do we get now? Okay, that's today's date. That's interesting, isn't it? That makes perfect sense. It's giving me this year, this month, and the 1st. That makes perfect sense. Okay. This will give you the first day of the current month. You can adjust month or year by including plus or minus to move forward or back in time. So let's give our variable a proper name, okay? Guff is a terrible name, and you won't pass review doing that. And now we're gonna do month end date. So let's try it again, right? Oops, date, alright. We go. I think we need this a few times, don't we? Base date, offset, I'm looking here, right? Base date, offset, and format. So we need basically a chain of these little commands. So let's get back in there. Wish I could make this a little bit bigger. I find this a bit small, a bit hard to read. So why am I fat? And then a hyphen. And then we're going to do another date. That's not going to work. It's not able to parse this correctly. Let's try and run it. Value never closed. Okay. Let's try this instead, right? The syntax highlighting doesn't recognize it because we're missing these square brackets. So you need 3 of them, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's see what we get. D is not supported unit for date manipulations. No? Maybe it's D like that. If anybody can tell me how to make this thing wide like that, that'd be great. I want to see what this stuff says. So that's the month start date. Right, 1st of October. And then this is the 24th of the 11th. Month end date. What? 31st. It's kind of cray-cray. So it looks like the calculation is off and resulted in the 24th in a month where there's 31 days. Right? That's wrong. This could be due to how Tosca interprets the base date. Why doesn't this work? MM01 when used without explicitly specifying the current date. Let's fix this by ensuring the current date is considered properly in the calculation. So let's try. And we know that D doesn't work, right? So you can try it. Okay, you need to use the dots again, sorry. Let's run it, see what we get. Cannot be interpreted as a date. Oh, God. The fuck is going on? Does this one work? This did work, didn't it? Yeah, okay. One start date. Okay, cool. So we know YYY works. So we're going plus a month, back 1 day. That's the difference we want to make. And then that's the format we want it in. Why does that not work? Enable, disable, run it. The value YYY MM0 cannot be interpreted as a date according to that format. So maybe I need to swap it around. Date and month, year. Jesus, why? See what happens, right? I just don't understand how this works here, but that didn't work. So maybe we have to do this. That's the format it's expecting, right? And then we want it in that format. Let's try it again. Oh, I'm getting such a pain in my ass. The value of 01 mm cannot be interpreted as a date according to that. Why not? Possible to just put a dot in here? No, that would never work. Maybe if I just leave it blank, like that. Will that work? D is not supported unit for date manipulations. Okay. Change that to D, lowercase. Jesus, did it work? Did it work? No. Why? Can somebody tell me why? Why, oh why? 24th to the 11th. Oh my god, hang on. No, no, no. Oh, hang on. The 24th to the 11th. That's next month. Minus a day. That's next month minus a day. That is correct, because today's the 25th. Okay. Let me do this. This will be useful. Today is the 25th of October. Alright, that'll help anybody watching the video. And that did jump forward 1 month. So we go to the 25th of the 11th. Right? 25th of the 11th. There it is there. And then we take back 1 day. But that's not the objective, is it? It's to basically, we want to take the month start date. So let's undisable that, enable that, right? And we go month start date. And in here, this is the date we want to work with. Put a buffer in here, B, bugger, whatever, close it off. And we say month start date. Didn't like that. Why? Not a fan of spaces in names, in variable names. Why didn't that work, guys? Let's take it out, right? So month start date. I run it again. Expression provided in test step month end date could not be parsed due to the following. Token is not valid in this context. But if we disable that and we run it again, month start date should have a value in it. Yeah, okay, that works. It's cool. The 1st of October, 2024. Yeah. 24, okay. So that works. And if you go to Tools, Buffer Viewer, oh, look at that, subscribe. Month start date, 24th of the 10th. That's correct, okay. Let's get rid of this, right? Oops. Let's delete that kind of shite, right? We don't need these old spellings in there. We don't need guff. Date 1 is a terrible name. Let's delete all this shite, right? Look, buy me lattes. Buy me a coffee, please. Subscribe. Anyway, month start date. We got a value in there, right? What I don't understand is why. Maybe. Oh, I think we have to do that, do we? And close that off. I have to get in closer to look. Hang on. I need new glasses. So, close off that thing. Close off that thing. Close off that thing. Okay. Why doesn't that work? Okay. See if we can get this working. Arrgh. Why doesn't that work? Let's just put some space. Oh. So, those pieces are okay, right? That ain't working, okay. Well, for me, that's the date syntax there. And this thing here, that should have, hang on. Curly braces, right? B. Oh, I got these things the wrong way around. Okay. Oops. Is that not the right way around, no? That is the right way around. Brace and square bracket. Hey, okay. There you go. Let's try it again. Let's see what we got. Oh, that didn't work. Shit. The value 241001 cannot be interpreted as a date according to DD day, month, year format. Okay. So maybe we want 0y dot dot year. Okay, try it again. Jesus, something worked. Brilliant. First of October 2024. 31st of October 2024. Okay. Now you might say, why are you wasting your time doing this shit when Tosca has stuff that'll do this for you? Now if we go over here and we do date, like that. Okay. Oh, hang on a second. Let's try it again. Date. Square bracket. Hey, it's weird how nothing pops up here, huh? Anyway, I'm going to go to the dynamic date web page. We just do that. See what we get. Month first, right? Find the current day, current month as a complete date, and then you get 1st to the 10th, all right? And you can also do month last. Change it to month first. And then we do month last, right? Oopsie daisy. I'm copying this from the documentation. I have it open on another screen. We run all this stuff again. Month first, 1st of the 10th. Month last, 31st of the 10th. Okay, so you might say, why are you annoying us with all of this crap? Well, I think it's important to be able to do stuff like this. You know, figure out a way to get the month first date. You can't rely upon just the documentation, because without having an understanding of how this stuff actually works under the covers, you won't get very far with Tosca. But we'll do another one, right? We'll do quarter first. Well, what will happen if I use the value I copy as a buffer? Let's see. Quarter first. That'd be interesting, won't it? Actually worked. Okay. Quarter first. 1st to the 10th. October, November, December. Okay, cool. Trimester first. What'll that do? Trimester something to do with babies and stuff, isn't it? Or is it college? First to the 9th, 2024. Okay. And HYEARFIRST here. By the way, you know what I've noticed? The tools on the right hand side, it's not turning up. Over here, buffer viewer, these values aren't turning up, the ones that have the these brackets. First to the 7th. First day of the current half year as a complete date. Yeah, sounds about right. Okay. Anyway, listen, I know this is a long and rambling video about dates, but sometimes if you don't use Tosca continuously, it's a very perishable skill. I haven't professionally worked with Tosca in a couple of years at this point, and the only reason I still do Tosca is because I do the YouTube videos, and I do the Telegram online community. Hopefully I'll put a screen code up or something like that, so that you can find your way. There's nearly 3,000 people in there now who are Tosca users. Varying degrees of abilities. Some, you know, couldn't find a barn door with both hands and a searchlight. Others are pretty heavyweight guys and girls. Mostly guys, to be honest with you, I think. There was one great lady in there, but unfortunately she moved on to another job and stopped using Tosca completely. But anyway, I'm waffling on enough. I'll talk to you again, guys and girls. Bye bye.